Hello children, welcome to Moral Science class. Today we learn chapter 9, Think Positive. Children, what is positive thinking? Positive thinking is the practice of focusing on the good in any given situation. It can help you maintain good health both physically and mentally. Now let us read and understand how positive approach helps us to achieve success in our life. Chapter 9, Think Positively. Our life is full of challenges. Right from the time you are born till you die, you face challenges. Without challenges, there is no life. Everybody has to face them. Challenges make us to achieve success in our life. Learning to write the alphabet is not easy. Your mom holds your right hand to help you to write. Then the letters come out easily. But when your mom leaves your hand, it goes off the track. You try again by yourself. Except for some lines on the slate, nothing else happens. Your mother comes to your help again. She holds your right hand once again, and the letters come out again. You know that you can't always depend on your mother to help you out. You have to do it yourself. You should tell yourself, I can do it. Once you think that you can do it yourself, learning to write becomes easy. We have to think of everything positively. Here is the story of Rajan, who was a very good football player. Let us see what happened to Rajan. Rajan was the uncrowded king of football. Everyone in his village knew about his ability to play the game. Rajan was a very good football player. Even the people from the neighboring villages came to watch Rajan's game. Everyone praised him for his ability, yet he was not in the village team. Though he was a very good player, he was not in the village team. Why he was not in the village team? He was cleverly kept away by Anish, another football player, and his group. Okay, Anish and his group, another group of football players in that village. They kept Rajan away from the team. Okay. Anish knew that if Rajan was in his team, he would be nowhere. So that he kept Rajan away from the, he played trick and kept Rajan away from the team. Rajan did not lose heart. Rajan did not lose heart means that Rajan did not stop believing in his abilities or in himself. He formed a new team. When he was kept away from the team, what did he do? He formed a new team. He tried to train his team members to pay attention to every aspect of every skill required. Okay. He gave good practice to his team members. His team slowly began to excel. Okay. His team slowly began to win. Okay. Seeing their performance, 10 members from Anish's team secretly approached Rajan, expressing their desire to join his team. But he said a firm no to them. It was around this time that there was a tournament, a football tournament organized at the district level. This time, a football tournament was organized at the district level. For the first time, Anish and his team was not invited. In his place, Rajan and his team was taken in. See, for the first time, Anish and his team was not invited for the tournament, and in place of Anish and his team, which team was invited? Rajan and his team was invited. Rajan and his team was taken in for the tournament. This enabled Rajan and his team to work hard. Rajan and his team worked hard. They worked hard for the tournament. They practiced for many hours. Rajan took care of the team very well. Rajan took care of the team very well. As the day of the tournament approached, they became more confident. When the day of the tournament came, Rajan and his team became more confident because they practiced well. Okay, Rajan had faith in his team. They had practiced well, and so they were very confident. On the day of the tournament, they arrived at the venue on time. They arrived on the venue, the place of the tournament conducted. There they arrived on time, on correct time. They were greeted with a great claps. People greeted them, welcomed them with a great claps. They played well and defeated the opposite team easily. They played well and defeated the opposite team easily. Rajan could win the trophy because he had a positive approach to life. Rajan had a positive approach to life. He did not lose heart. Instead of that, what did he do? He formed a new team and gave practice to his team, and then they won the trophy. Now Rajan could win the trophy because he had a positive approach to life. In course of time, he became one of the famous footballers at the state level. Children, here we have seen the example of Rajan, whose positive approach helped him to win the game. There are many examples like this, which helped people to achieve success in their life by thinking positively. If we look at everything positively, we can bring much progress to our lives. We too can become famous like Mother Teresa, Nelson Mandela, Mahatma Gandhi, etc. It is their positive attitude that made them famous. Let us remember the following points from this chapter. This will help you face challenges and be successful in your life. Our life is full of challenges. Without challenges, there is no life. Challenges make us achieve success in our life. We have to think of everything positively. There are many examples around us which help people to achieve success in their life by thinking positively. If we think positively, we can bring much progress to our lives. Remember these points, and this will definitely help you become successful in your life.